In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix it if the Layout tab is missing in Microsoft Word. The Layout tab in Microsoft Word is essential for adjusting the layout and formatting of your document, including things like page orientation, margins, and alignment. If you suddenly notice that the Layout tab is missing, it can be frustrating, but don't worry. There are several simple ways to bring it back. First, check the ribbon to make sure the Layout tab hasn't simply been collapsed or hidden. Sometimes Word minimizes certain tabs to save space. If this is the case, you can double-click the Home tabs. This will expand the ribbon and reveal all the tabs, including Layout. If the Layout tab is still missing, it's possible that your Word settings may have been changed. Start by right-clicking anywhere on the ribbon and selecting Customize the ribbon. This will open the Word Options menu. In the right-hand column, check to see if the Layout tab is unchecked. If it is, simply check the box next to Layout, then click OK. The Layout tab should now appear in the ribbon. Another possible reason the Layout tab might be missing is if you are in a special editing mode, like Red Mode or Focus Mode, where certain tabs are temporarily hidden to reduce distractions. To exit these modes, go to the View tab and select Print Layout. This should bring back all your standard tabs, including Layout. By following these steps, you should be able to quickly get the Layout tab back and continue formatting your document without any issues. It's a handy tool for adjusting the layout of your pages, and now you can use it without any hiccups. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.